This tiny blue board doesn't look like much. No screen, no button. Yes, this is the Arduino, the 20 boss gadget that quickly powering robot, 3D printers, drone, and even some of the most life-changing inventions you have never heard of. Today, we are diving deep into why this tiny board became a legend for makers around the world.
Hello there. Welcome back.
Over 10 of millions of Arduino have been sold since 2005, but the reason it explodes in popularity is not just because it's cheap, it's because it made electronics simple enough for everyone, from kids to engineers. The Arduino was born in a small Italian town called Ivrea back in 2005. A group of lecturers wanted an affordable way to teach students how to control electronics with code. Before Arduino, microcontrollers were complicated, expensive, and intimidating. Arduino changed that in an open-source design and friendly programming language. At the heart of the Arduino UNO is a chip called the 8MB328P. It has 30 KB of flash memory to store your code, 2 KB of SRAM to overpower while the code runs, and 1 KB of EEPROM that remembers data even when the power is off. This pin along the side lets you to connect LEDs, monitors, sensors, almost anything you can think of, and the USB port. That's how you upload code from your computer in just a few seconds. Arduino's biggest strength is its ecosystem. There are hundreds of official and unofficial boards, tiny ones like the Nano, powerful ones like the Mega, plus thousands of ready-made libraries that make complex tasks as easier as calling a single function in your code. This open-source approach turned Arduino into the logo of electronics. You will find Arduino board inside 3D printers, custom keyboards, IoT gadgets, and even DIY ventilators. For hobbyists and startups, Arduino often becomes the first step before turning an idea into a real product. Of course, the Arduino isn't perfect. With just 16 MHz of processing speed and 3 KB of RAM, it's not designed for heavy computing like video processing or AI. But for controlling hardware, motors, lights, sensors, it's heartbeat. Arduino made electronics accessible to millions and probably sparked more invention than any other single board. If you have ever wanted to build your own gadget or bring an idea into life, this is the perfect place to start. I will leave a link below to a beginner's kit and a few fun projects you can try at home. And don't forget to hit like if you find this inspiring and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.